We got a 2020 Ford Transit 250. Here is a proper way or easy way how to do the front passing rotors. You see this rotor and the bearing is the same. This is all-wheel drive. This is CD joints. So first thing, remove the caliper, remove the bracket. To remove the caliper, you need a 6mm hex. This is the caliper bolt, slide bolt. Then using 21mm to the caliper brackets. Then the next step is gonna be removing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Torx bit. I'll show you which one I use. As you can see right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See those? The hex. I use this T50. See, yeah, T50. Don't use the gun first. Use a ratchet wrench, loosen brake, because you might hurt those. Those are sensitive. Once you get put a skid on it or damage it, it's hard to reach because it's kind of hidden area. So all the time I advise everybody, whoever wanna do bad stuff, put it with a wrench, loosen brake, then use the power tool. Then when you lose it, then you gotta remove the axle nut. The axle nut using your 6mm axle nut socket. Then what you gotta do, push it back, then play with it, because the bearing sits inside. And this thing might give you a little bit hard time, but it's easy one. Once you lose it, that one all the way, take it off. Then unbolt these 6 bolts. The bearing attached to the rotor. Here's the new rotor. I tried this wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This bolts attached to the rotor. The hex bolts, the one I'm talking about, this attached to the spindle. So once you take it off, using 15mm. Where is that 15mm? I'll show you. Okay, using 15mm. Using 15mm, you gotta lose it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then separate it like that. And this job take like 3.5 hours. I charge customer like 3 hours. Dealership might go higher, so why not me? That's it, easy one. It's not that hard. People talk about. I know it's for rear-wheel drive and front-wheel drive is different, but easy one. Here, 15mm. Once you got this, I'm show you 15. See that? 15mm. Once you set it, lose it. As I said, if you're not comfortable using power tools, always use your hand. Break it loose first, then use power tools. This one not that hard. The tricky part is the one, the bearing attached to the spindle over there. So that's the hard one. Always use your wrench and break it loose, then you can use power tools later. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any question. Appreciate that for like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.